Alright, we're going to go through my big toolbox. I have tools stored in file cabinets. So, my big toolbox from work is 56 inches. I got some really long extensions back there, 3/8, half. I even got a half to 3/8 impact extension, transmission, shorter extensions, pry bar, some Right Stuff in red. We got the quarter drive, Power Torque tools, Power Torque or performance tool here on that pry bar. It just kind of hangs out up there. So you get some cool little, let's just set that there, magnetic quarter drive. Make it nice for getting into the door handles on some of the Lincolns. We got a bunch of other little extensions, wobbles, deep, short. Then we got our 1/2-inch drive here. In here, 3/8 drive set of these is put away. I don't have enough space, not at the shop, so we'll get those. I'm gonna move down to our next drawer here. These, oops, hold on now. These are pliers. Put those back, been using them. That thing is super glue that's over there. Using these for stuff. And then those will go with the side cutters and stuff. I'll find something like these. These are mini, very mini plier side cutter set. Let's see if we can see it here. See? So there's that one. So in here, I have some 1/2-inch deep. I have a miniature pass-through and some really low profile slat pass-through / quarter drives. And these are gear wrench. Same with that pass-through. This is, if you got some Allens that are stripping out, these are supposed to grab it. Remember what they're called. Some regular old hex. Standard low profile. Some deep 1/2-inch drive. This is a gear wrench. That's their Vortec to pass through. And even the nice thing is, if you get really long studs, even that's passed through. The extension is. Go back. There we go. And we do have adapters. Go to quarter or 3/8 off of that. So that helps. Damn Lincoln Pitman oil. Put it over here in this toolbox. And then we come down to this one. So this one, we get the double boxed, really long wrenches. Get all those are need to go down the next one. No, they don't. These are part of my. This is all my Husky wrenches, like my ratcheting 13/16 here. All Husky stuff. 17. I like the Husky because you can get the set and bind. You got the Titan stubbies. Got more Huskies that need to go back up here. I'll What a mess. Then you go in their organizer. This is all my Duralast wrenches. Both metric and standard in here. And Duralast 19. That's an old Duralast. So is this one. Look at that Duralast logo. Well used. Guaranteed for life. 18 millimeter. Nice wrenches. Use the hell out of these. And I got some gimmick wrenches. Like this thing here. I thought would be handy for doing alignments because it, you know, quick wrench. Got some other Made in USA. I don't even know what this is. Bonnie, B-O-N-N-E-Y. It's an old one. Some other stuff. Heavy duty, 200 millimeter drop forged. I don't know. This one's cool. These are power torque cells. These at O'Reilly's. And they are ratcheting adjustable wrench. I bought it because it's probably just a gimmick. See, here's a smaller one. Thought for alignments, those would work nice. And then, nothing in that one because I still had the holes in it. Some more hammers. Some extra filters. Some bearing packers. Electric drill. Another hammer. Brake bleeder. And this bottom one, let's see. Have a caulk gun, some air tools, including air impact, C-clamp, some filters for the compressor, some grease. Then we'll move on over to this guy. This is another toolbox. This toolbox will be interesting. We got, there's that pivot arm I moved for the Lincoln. Air tool oil. Marble Mystery air tool oil. Wire wheel. That's for my launch. That's 431 code reader. And I got the 123 launch code reader as well. Oh, there's the 123X. Piece of junk. We got my tire inflating. We got this blowgun I found, which has all different long extensions, short extensions, wide ones, fans, whips. This. A voltmeter, Syntec. And I think they made these for Mako air chisels. NICs, some pullers for wiper arms and battery post, wiper arm. Those are cool. Set of Allen. We got a distributor wrench in here, a brake bleeder wrench, headlight adjuster for like Fords, fan clutch tool, Ford radio removal tools for the Lincoln. Those are part of that distributor wrench. Random nuts, bolts, and hose clamps because you never know when you're going to need it. We got a bunch of picks and scrapers and fuel line quick disconnects. Here's more of those hyper tough picks. Then I got these odd picks, these little dental picks. I got some performance tool picks for like hoses, and these are trim. We got some performance tool wire strippers. Some Wing Wang Blend precision screwdriver kit. I got test leads for my tester, and clamps, spark tester. This is to convert the self-seal cans to my old ass hoses. This is a bearing out of a race out of a Ford Focus that I use for pressing on stuff. With the light, detect electricity, test light. Let's see here, this should be the digital caliper. Let's see, let's get it open here. It works. Nice, big letter. Can use as digital or manual caliper. Measuring stuff, always handy. Go to the next drawer. Just gloves. I'll step back in. There's my angle dry grinder with my roll-lock wheels. Some files. Link tool for removing chain links. Tape measure. Some rope to hold stuff up. And some wiring. That is a oil filter socket for Toyota. Some more SOS stuff. Zip ties, hoses, battery holds down, heat shrink, vacuum connectors if you need them, tape if you need it, a plastic rivet gun for like those plastic rivets and whatnot. You know, put like license plate brackets and whatnot back on. Oh, the next one. Got more long extensions. A serpentine belt tool, indexable pry bar, another that's set, some lip slippers, a magnet slash claw tool. It's handy. We got more that are going up under. Then get to this guy. And I got a lot more in all these file cabinets, what they're for. Let's see. Just hadn't showed them all. Torque sticks. So we don't over torque it. So that's the torque sticks. And then I have a bunch of laptops I'm throwing around with old GM software on them. Another one down there, GM software. The other camera. These are the cameras I use, are the Sony Handycams. The big batteries. I just got them and started using them. There's my HC Delco light just hanging out. These AC Delcos are pretty nice. Little 12 volt form. And then we've got our charging station. So this is computer side. It's magnetic. I just glued to the wall because these are magnetic. I put a power strip here for charging. So I can put them here and plug them in. See? Just like so. Got our rechargeable heat gun. 2 weeks of Delco chargers, the Power Torque charger. We got this underhood light. Ooh, that's bright. Different settings. And some Harbor Freight freebie lights and cheap old TPMS relearn tool. Big long extension. Won't fit in the drawers. And that'll include the rest of this video. I'm still unpacking tools and specialty tools and whatnot. But outside I do have my brake tools, even the ones that spin back. And so that's it. I do appreciate you watching. Thank you. If you like. If you want to subscribe. There's my desk setup here. My monitors. Nothing fancy. So that's it. My computer. So that's what I use. Like I said, if you like it. If you don't. Let me know what I did wrong. Have a wonderful day. And that's just some of the tools I use at home. Again, the rest of them are all of these guys. And it's not the tools I use a lot. And I do have my air compressor outside too. I didn't show you, I guess, but just old piece of crap air compressor. Well, enjoy your day. Again, thank you for watching.